Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl DJ Dalvy and I'm outside. Yeah man, just I share a short little video with you guys. Yeah, me just touch down on the road, go river and will bathe by the river and come up back and see Raymond and part some coffee. So I say alright, I could just share this out with the people because I know this is something I would like to see and things. So just decide to showcase it and things. So hope you all like this video, and if you want to see more of it, just comment and let me know. So just stay tuned. Remember to like up the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, big up the video. So I go on now, yeah man, coffee, this coffee bean, Raymond right here, Apache coffee.
Real Blue Mountain coffee, you know?
Real Blue Mountain coffee.
Organic. Real organic, you know? Really, really. I get ready there now. 6:40 there.
So when you're done with this now, where I go to?
First make him cool. Make him cool down. Cool down. Parching stage. Is there a parching stage there now?
Hot.
Hot, well clean, well hot, well steamed, you can steam a quite ahead.
Yeah.
Well steamed, well steamed. See?
Well hot.
Well hot.
Make him cool down, you know?
So after I cool down now,
Blow it out.
yeah.
Out all of the fine dust out of it. Get ready for grind them.
Oh, we grind them out.
Yeah.
So you use like a mortar?
No, we have a machine. We have a machine for that.
Or you just use a grinder?
Yeah, we have a grinder for that.
Okay.
We beat up the trash in a grinder. We just process it. We take out the trash with mortar. Okay, mortar now. We blow it out. Get him ready up.
Alright, so this is some fresh one in our pot here now.
Wow,
You have to keep on a story and thing.
yeah. Can't make me eat too much heat, catch one place. They burn.
No, coal.
Natural coal.
One of the original
Natural
pot there.
fermented coal. Fermented coal give you the right flavor, you know.
Okay. You know the right by the beautiful river here. Yeah, you know this river run all the way to Buff Bay. Yeah. So basically this is the Buff Bay River. Right here. So how long this normally take for like roast?
3/4 hour.
3/4 hour?
Yeah.
Oh.
Under good fire, you know?
Yeah, man, it's 3/4 hour. And this is it? Yeah, man. So normally you pulp the coffee. I show you a full process on idea. This is really the parching stage right now. Where you parch it in the pot. You have to keep on stirring because you don't want them burn.
Yeah, keep on.
You make them steam right out. See them all come there. Yeah, look to boil it.
You see, more sweet meat in the pot, it come faster, you know?
Okay. Them still there, go and dry it, cool off. And then him say, man, grind them up. Yeah. So it look nice and shiny. So how long now since do this thing?
Yes. I've been in a coffee business more than 20 years, man.
Oh. So like when you finish like patching them, how you distribute them out?
You have to keep them in a seal bag. You say the smell not escape or nothing. You see me? So put them in a seal bag. So after you put them in a seal bag, when you get them now, you're going to put them in a back way. Close back, a back way. With cork it tight, keeping the smell. Don't lose, they say you don't lose the taste, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. When you drink a cup of this now, you don't want to stop drinking mountain coffee now. Real organic stuff.
So if a person watching and they would like to purchase real coffee, or them can get to purchase it.
Like you don't want a pound or so?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get a pound. We bag them out and put them we bag them and put them, label them and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. $35 a bag.
So how them can reach, how them can get to purchase? You have it in a particular store, or you just go by delivery?
Just go on the internet, just go on the map, type in Raymond bar, you find me right there.
Okay, so all the contact information.
Right.
Alright.
You can find everything on right, so just go on the map.
Alright.
The Google map. Just go on the Google map, type in Raymond bar, and you straight to me.
Alright.
My number is 899-9538.
Alright, so we are going to pin all of the information there. In our video link.
Find me right there. Don't want to find.
So stay tuned if you like this video and want to see a follow-up. Want to see a complete thing from start when in pulpit and all of that. Can comment that and make you know. Yeah.
Take a lot of work, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Really take a lot of work.
Yeah.
Alright, so him load it up again. Load it up back again, you know. So fresh beans in the pot, you know. Over here steamy. Yeah. If you want to see a little smoke in our video. This have just cool off and then grind.
We cool off, blow it out. Blow it out. Get out all the dust out of it.
Oh, you blow it, the dust out of it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No dust can see enough dust or smoke in it when you finish.
Oh.
Yeah, when say you come on the river early in the morning, you can get a hot cup of coffee right on the riverside. You can get coffee served right on the river.
Yes, so if you're passing by, you can get a hot cup of coffee tea right at the riverside. Yeah. River beautiful. Yeah, man. So why you never use like wood fire, you use coal?
Well, the coal send a good amount of heat, so just like wood fire, you know. So, yeah.
Oh.
You know, the coal heat. So long so have the real pimento coal, heat a better flavor.
Okay. Better flavor.
Yeah. Send a lot of heat.